This is a demonstration of Newton's Cradle, which is a device for showing conservation of linear momentum. And so the idea is when you pull back one of the balls and let it go, one goes out, one went in, and one went out. Oh, okay. I'll stop them again. If I pull two go in, two go out. Okay. If I pull three go in, three go out. One switches place, right? If I do four, well, it's a little hard here. Four go in, four go out. And the last one, if I do five, it just swings back and forth. So that's just conservation of linear momentum. It's also conservation of energy. If there was no friction, then these would swing forever.